I just picked up this PlayStation 5 from Facebook Marketplace. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit skeptical at first. The kid has had no profile picture, and also he started asking me for Cash App or Zelle, and so that was kind of giving me a red flag. So I told him, hey, it's gonna be cash only. Let's meet up, and I'll pick it up. So I think I paid a little bit more than what I wanted to. So I'm gonna take everything from the box. This is pre-owned. Hopefully everything is in here. I mean, I did kind of open the box a little bit before I bought it to kind of check, make sure everything is in there. The other thing too, when you buy stuff from Facebook Marketplace, it's a gamble. It's a hit or miss because sometimes people are not honest. I got scammed a couple times, so we'll see. I'm gonna unbox it, test it, and hopefully everything works great. Take everything from the box and see. I mean, at least it did come with the box. So if I can get everything out here. And this PS5, no, I bought it. I'm actually gonna send it to a good friend of mine. That's why I needed to get something right away. And the kid was also local. He was not too far from me. So and I ended up paying $350 for this PS5. I think it's a little bit too much for a pre-owned PS5. I mean, I checked on eBay, and they're going for close to $400. So let's see what we have here inside the box. So here we have the stand, and we have the HDMI. It's the HDMI cable. It's the power cable. Okay, so far so good. And here's the controller. Let me see. And I also asked the kids to send me a video showing that everything is working. So that's something I do a lot when I buy like video games from Facebook Marketplace. I always ask for a video just to kind of make sure that they're working. I mean, it's like you might get lucky, but sometimes not everybody's honest. But so far so good. Everything seems to be okay. And let's make sure the PS5 is in here. Imagine I open this and then there's no PS5. I mean, I'll be really upset right now. Oh yeah, you got the charger for the controller. Oh, even the menu. Okay. I mean, the kids seemed honest, so the PS5 got to be in here. I just hope the PS5 is in here, because to be honest, I didn't even check for the PS5. I just saw the controller and all the cables, and I said, hey, no, I just gave him the money. So let's see if oh, yes, it is in here. Let's see if I can get this thing out. Alright, here we have the PS5 in here. Let's see. Alright, so here I have the PS5. Everything so far looks good. I don't see too many dusts. Let me check the HDMI port. You always want to make sure it's not bent or anything like that, because these things they do break easy. And this one is the disc edition. I don't buy I hate the digital ones, so I always get the disc editions. And I don't know if you guys can see it here. A lot of scratches here, a little bit beat up there. I mean, I'm sending this to a friend, so. Alright, so everything seems to be in a good condition. So now I'm gonna hook up everything, test it on my gaming monitor, and test it with the game to make sure that everything is working as it should. So I'll be back. Alright, so I just hooked everything up. So moment of truth. Let's find out if this thing works. Let's turn it on. That's a good sign. It does turn it on. It does turn on. We see the light. Let's see if we get something on the screen. Then I'm gonna test it with the game. Your PS5 wasn't turned off properly. That's of course always. So make sure when you if you have your like PlayStation 5 on like sleeping mode, or if you just unplug it, so that's not the way to do it. So you could definitely damage your PS5 like that. In this case, that's what happened. He just unplugged it.